Hi, I'm Tom with Customcrete Industrial Services. Are you planning a project while wondering how much it will cost? Here at Customcrete, we understand the difficulty in finding project costs online. In this video, we'll break that down as clearly as possible so you can see what impacts your flooring cost. We'll walk you through the real cost factors, including material, installation variables, and prep work, as well as the 5 main factors that affect the cost in your customized flooring solution. If you're watching this video to find an exact price for your industrial flooring project, I'll tell you right now, we won't be able to provide exact pricing without knowing more about your project. But we will be able to give you some price ranges. However, you can request a quote on our website or by clicking this link, and our concrete flooring specialist will get back to you with more on learning more about your project. These 5 factors will play a role in pricing for your project. Size of the area, condition of the concrete, surface preparation needed, project complexity, and accessibility. Size of the area. Larger projects often benefit from a lower cost per square foot due to greater labor efficiency. The crew can work continuously without frequent stops or the need to move equipment often. Smaller areas may increase the cost per square foot because fixed mobilization and cleanup efforts don't scale down. Condition of concrete. If the concrete is in good condition and requires minimal repairs, cost will generally stay on the lower end. However, if the concrete is damaged, has old coatings or adhesives, need removal requiring extra grinding or patching, both time and labor costs can increase significantly. Surface preparation. Typical preparation methods include grinding, shot blasting, and scarifying, each suited for different needs. Grinding is ideal for preparing surfaces for sealers and polishing. Shot blasting, commonly used before applying epoxy coatings. Scarifying produces very rough profiles suited for overlays or major restorations. Project complexity. Projects with obstacles such as fixtures, large machines, tight corners, or narrow walkways generally increase labor requirements and cost. Simple, open spaces like warehouses with minimal obstructions tend to reduce both time and cost. Accessibility. Equipment setup requires more labor when the project is located on upper floors or in obstructed areas. Availability of loading docks, freight elevators, or ramps facilitates easier access and can lower project cost. Space for staging equipment and materials allows for more efficient operations, contributing to further savings. Urethane cement. One of the best options for facilities is urethane cement. With a cost per square foot from $7 to $15 per square foot, this system is typically applied at a 1/4 inch thickness. Urethane cement is installed directly over a concrete slab, creating a seamless, durable surface that can stand up to harsh environments, frequent washdowns, and rapid temperature changes. Polished concrete is a cost-effective and low-maintenance flooring solution, ideal for commercial, industrial, and retail spaces. Pricing typically ranges from $3 to $6 per square foot, depending on surface condition, desired gloss level, and project difficulty. Epoxy. Standard 2-coat epoxy coating is a popular choice for commercial spaces like warehouses and factories. It offers a tough, durable finish that stands up to heavy traffic, chemicals, and moisture. Ideal for areas with machinery or frequent use, it's a cost-effective solution that delivers long-lasting performance at a cost of $2 to $5 per square foot. Sealed concrete. Densifiers and dust-proofing treatments are a low-cost way to harden concrete and reduce dust. At just 50 cents to $1.50 per square foot, no prep is typically needed, which keeps installation quick and affordable. Great for warehouses or storage areas, this treatment helps extend the life of your concrete without breaking the budget. Acrylic sealers offer a finish ideal for retail or commercial spaces with light to moderate foot traffic. Costs range from $2 to $3 per square foot. Moisture mitigation. When working with concrete coatings and levelers, hidden moisture vapor beneath the surface can cause serious problems, often catching people off guard. Applying a moisture vapor barrier typically adds $1.50 to $2 per square foot, depending on project size and system. Using a moisture barrier helps protect your floor, extends its lifespan, and reduces future maintenance costs in your investment. Self-levelers. Self-leveling underlayment typically costs $3.50 to $6.50 per square foot for a standard 1/4 inch overlay. Costs vary based on the size of the area, floor condition, and how much prep work is required before installation. Line striping and safety markings. Epoxy safety striping typically costs $4 to $5 per linear foot. Line striping helps provide safer walkways. Are you asking yourself, what's the current condition of the existing floor? Will it need repairs or removal? How large is the square footage? What kind of wear and tear will the floor need to handle? Is there a specific timeline or project deadline to meet? The next steps you can take in this process would be to take our ideal flooring solution quiz to get personalized flooring recommendations, or going directly to our request a quote page if you have a project in mind. We understand that pricing for industrial flooring can be complex, but our goal is to make it as clear, transparent, and straightforward as possible. We want you to feel confident in the process and knowing you'll have the right guidance to navigate your flooring project from start to finish.